collapsing around our ears. I turned up the radio, but I can't hear it. When I got to the house and I called you out, I could tell that you had been crying, crying. It's that same song on the radio that makes me sad. I meant to turn it off, to say goodbye, to leave in quiet radio song.
Enggak on aja. Ini selanjutnya lagi bikin fondasi.
Nguruk. LRI.
Insya Allah sehat, semangat, cocok. Yang penting, oke dah.
Bosku, gimana persiapannya?
Oke, tinggal break.
Oke.
Bunyi terus. Mak punya kuasa.
Endorse. Cemburuan nih duaan.
Sorry Kak. Oke, kita sahabat.
Radio, I can't hear it. Yeah. I tried to sing along. Damn that radio song. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I've everything to show. I've everything to hide. Look into my eyes. Listen to the radio. I turned up the radio. I can't hear it. No, I can't hear it.
Hanya bilik bambu, tempat tinggal kita, tanpa hiasan, tanpa lukisan. Namun semua itu punya kita. Memang semua ini milik kita sendiri. Haruskah kita beranjak ke kota yang penuh dengan tanya? Yang tahu lagunya bareng-bareng yuk. Lagi yuk. Lebih baik di sini. Rumah kita sendiri. Segala nikmatan anugerah yang kuasa. Semuanya ada di sini. kita ada di sini.